The first one is A. All you have to make 3 and connect with this, and I'm going to pick any letter. Let's see, Ba. And we have to put the dependent form of Ba, form of A on Ba. How can you put it? It's built in there, right? Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's because you cannot pronounce without it. Ba and A is coming in it. So this one is already built in there. It comes with it. Or in other words, it's a ghost is in there. Which invisible. We don't see this guy. Okay. Now let me make the next letter, this one. Can I make it a little more tally? Yeah, here we go. Now we are going this one. This one is, all you have to do is just make the letter like this and extra danda. That's all we did. So that's the difference between this and this letter. This is A, and if you put danda, it becomes A. Alrighty? So, okay, this is A, and if you make it dependent form on Ba, becomes, now, can you pronounce Lucretia?
Ba.
Ba. Now, the next one is I. I, short I. And the dependent form of I on Ba is like this. Danda before that and connect like this. We discussed this before in the class. Just I'm giving you a review. So how would you pronounce this one here, Julie?
B.
No, B.
B.
It's not a B. B.
B.
Yeah, here we go. B. Okay. Now the next letter is this one. This one we are talking about. E. All you have to do is this letter you have to make like this, becomes long, which I'm going to make it separate. The next vowel is E. Now became E. The dependent form of this letter on Ba is, let's see, make it Ba first. Let me make Ba, and then put danda and like this. This is independent form, and this is dependent, and this is dependent form. In other words, if I wish I had the different color, oh, I do have it different color, so I can mention this, show you here. See, this letters, this letter is independent, and this is dependent form, is this part is the dependent form of E on Ba. It's totally different. Yeah, there is no danda here built in there, but somehow, yeah. Okay. Robert, that's what you are asking? That we don't have danda here, but how come we are making danda here? Yeah, but it's just the way it is. Okay? So this is, we don't, I mean, it's not just by chance that danda works in small a to big A, but small b to big B, we don't, like, We are not putting danda or anything, but that's how it is, in fact. Just memorize this way. Like this dependent form of long E is this part. Okay? Now, do we have any questions so far? Robert, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, good. And now we are going to talk about this guy, and that's going to be new for you because so far we worked e last time, and now we are going to talk about u. And I'm going to use, this is the letter u, as in put, I guess. So let me underline the sound. This one we are talking about, put, sound. It's not like put or root or broom or gloom. It's not like this. It's put. So sound. So for if you put ba, let me make it different color. If you put on ba sound, all you have to do make matra underneath here towards left. That might confuse you a little more. So, Robert, the dependent form of u is only this, at the bottom of the letter. It stays and does not cross the line. Make sure. And if you can cross the line, there's no punishment for that. Right. So you don't have to. So make sure this guy is the dependent form of the whole letter. So can you pronounce this one? Let's see, Sharmay. Yeah, very good. Wonderful. Bu. Now we are going to talk about the long U. See the difference between short U and long U? I'm going to show clearly here. See, this one is short U, right? And to make it long, all you have to do is just make one more monkey tail like this. I'm going to show you here. There we go. See, this one was, this one was short U, right? And make it longer, you have to make monkey tail. Became long U. Now, U became ooh. One more time. U became ooh. As long as you could go. From here to even Chapel Hill. That long. Okay. So U becomes ooh. Alrighty. So, and the dependent form of this guy on one letter. Let me make sure that you understand this. By chance we picked ba. Could be any other letter. Ra. All or ra or ka or ja or cha or cha or pa, whatever you learned so far. So you could put this sound, these dependent form of the vowels work on every consonant, same way, more or less. Okay, so let's see ba. Ba was the example for us so far, and make longer u on ba would be boo. So dependent form is this one towards right side. So I'll make sure I'll put both of them next to each other so you would know then how will it work. How will it work? This is U, and for short U is this one.